of electrical lightning.
So we're here in Australia and we are having one of the weirdest storms I think I've ever seen. It's just been constant rumbling and you can see the lightning is very odd. It's nearly putting it looks like it's putting rays down into the ground. It's just constant. It's like, especially over here. It's just constant and a constant rumbling with it as well. So we've got the moon up here. There's the moon. And there's the sky. It's got a reddish tinge to it. And it's just, I haven't seen anything like it. It's just constantly, the sky is just like flashing like a strobe light.
Yeah.
That would be the way I would explain that.
Hey YouTube.
And this has been going on for probably nearly an hour. And what I'm really surprised at is what I'm seeing in the clouds and what's actually coming down. It nearly looks like you know, funnels coming down, like lines coming down, like, you know, wow, just look at this. It nearly looks like, you know, when a volcano erupts and then on top of it you get all of this activity. Well, this is what I'm seeing here. A lot of activity. The sky is the most freakiest colour. There, look at that. It's the most freakiest colour I've ever seen. It's like a pinky. Ooh, it's like a pinky, dusky grey. Oh, look at that. Now I'm actually, I'm out here with my phone, holding my phone up. There's cars beeping their horns like crazy. And I'm actually scared I'm gonna get hit by lightning. I can't see, there's not much, it's weird, there's not much activity over this side at all where the moon was. But as you come over here, it turns to this pink, right? Whoa, right, and then it comes, you come over here.
I go down there.
But
I also don't.
See that? See those, like, they look like, they're coming down in like beams. That's the word, beams. Look at that. Hear that rumbling? That's just. Oh, look at that! Look at that.
It's really good round here.
Yeah, well, I'll come round in a minute. I just want to get. I'm getting. Whoa, some
It's
really.
by the trees. Come around here.
I'm getting some really good footage here.
Come around here. It's better.
Okay, I'm just, ouch, oh chihuahua, I just hurt myself on the tree there.
Just come here, love.
Okay, let's see.
Just come away.
There's cars all beeping their horns, they're like, what's going on? Well,
It's right up there.
so I've come around the side.
Oh, that was a bright
I've come
one.
right around the side.
Don't go near the tree.
And
Just come away from the tree.
yeah, they're coming down in beams. It's absolutely amazing. Can you see that, Maya? They're like coming down in beams.
Yeah.
They're literally coming down in like beams.
They're awesome.
Wow.
Whoa.
The neighbours are all out. It's a very different storm.
Oh, come on.
mean,
It's getting a bit. I want you undercover.
It's
I
a
don't like
very, very different storm.
Okay, Jessie, come out, please. Come.
It's
There's
not.
two- there's
It's
two
not your
neighbours out
average
there.
storm.
Jess,
I'm filming, please. Thank you.
come away from the tree now.
I am away from the tree, Ma. Please look at
Whoa.
this.
Jessica.
Look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. I have to capture this. Look at that, and it's coming down in beams, and so there's a combination of sheet lightning and fork lightning, but what I've never seen before is how it's coming down in like beams, and it's coming in like
It's going horizontal.
it's going horizontal beams,
Please,
which is
Jessie, come in.
really look at that, that
Come
was
on,
like,
you've got to come in. Oh my God.
Wow. So this is in we're in Melbourne, Australia. So
South,
oh,
Phillip Island.
well, we're south of Melbourne's a big city, so we're about south. We're about a 60-minute
130
drive,
Ks.
about 100k from the outskirts of Melbourne, on a little island, so we're on a tiny little island. But I can see a lot of cloud formations that are very odd.
Yeah, it's coming this
In
way. That was a
itself.
huge one.
Like I'm seeing a lot of really weird cloud formations here. Like it's happening here. And like I said in my video, what's very strange is it's all
Jess,
focusing this
it's
way.
now getting closer, so I want you to come in.
Yeah, it's getting
I mean it.
it's getting
getting
closer.
I want you in now, Jess. You can film from under here.
Whoa! All the neighbours are out now.
Jess, you can see it here now.
Okay, I'm gonna come round because my mama thinks that I'm gonna get fried.
Safer under the veranda. I don't want you.
Lightning and
Sit on the
thunder.
chair.
Oh, look at the moon.
Yeah.
That looks amazing.
Can you get it? Yeah, you can sit down.
Wow.
Yeah, sit underneath. Sit on
Definitely,
Anna.
definitely.
closer.
We are
I
just
don't want you
back.
closer.
we are having the most weirdest weather at the moment in every way possible. Like we're having it's in the northern hemisphere it's currently so cold that in Florida where it's the warmer months now, it's not winter. Well, it is. It's in the cooler stage, but Florida, their winters don't usually get like icy freezing, and it's getting so icy freezing that they have iguanas there. They're literally falling out of trees, frozen. Iguanas.
Okay, so
And it's just there's too much going on. Like there's it's called a
down with
bomb cyclone or bomb genesis.
yeah.
And it's like basically a massive snow blizzard snowstorm.
Yeah.
And
Oh, the moon's clear now.
yeah, it keeps changing, and
Yeah,
the
of course,
and
the
the
clouds are moving
clouds,
past.
yeah.
It's normal.
Why does the clouds look like a human with a chainsaw?
But it's just the constant rumbling and just it's just so I've never seen such. Look at that! I've never
It's just like,
seen
blah.
such constant lightning.
Never seen lightning like this. This is awesome. Oh, I love the purple ones. They
That's
come like
street
purple
light
and
there.
white
Yeah.
together. If it hits our street light, we're effed.
No, we're not. It's not right over us. It's
What
It's a
happens
few
if-
kilometres away.
yeah. Oh,
kilometers.
it's about 10 k's away.
That's not far.
It's yeah, it's amazing. When I looked out the curtain, I just saw the sky. I didn't notice. I just heard the rumbling and kept saying to you, "How's that rumbling?" Oh,
Big one.
wow!
It's making it.
Whoa!
You might be
Okay.
able to see it back. Yeah, why have you got naked?
Because I'm a naked Billy Billy.
So yeah, as you can see, the clouds are quite weird. Oh, there's a mosquito. But it's nearly like where that redness is in the sky, that they're all show us a big
We fucking
beam
chopped the trees
from the
down.
heavens. What? There it is! It gave a big beam.
Hey?
I go, show me a big beam from the heavens, and a big beam came down.
Show me a big beam from the heavens. From the heavens. Woo! Show me
Come away
the.
from the post. You'll get electrocuted.
Come away from the post bar.
Show
Okay.
me a little beam from the heaven.
People get hit by lightning, mate, so don't think that they don't.
They do. one man, he got hit, something like, they say if you can't get struck by lightning twice, in your life. Oh, look at the moon now. But this guy got struck by he's been struck like 7 times.
And hasn't died.
No, I just saw a
But most people
big
do
bit
die.
of fork lightning. It was over there.
Don't be silly.
If I lose you, Mommy, I'm gonna be upset.
I would too.
Oh, that was
I'm going
beautiful.
in, I'm going in.
I'm staying out.
Jackson, I mean it. Jessica, you take care of him.
She will.
Let him out near it.
My mama. You mean?
Stay there. We're only going to get a little bit more because we can't go too far. Alright, that's all I'm going to show for now, guys, but that is an amazing lightning storm here in not far from Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Wow, I could stand out here and just film, but yeah, better leave it at that. Come on, give us one more really good one. We're gonna get a big one.
It's grumbling. It's a grumpy one.
It's a grumpy. Oh, grumpy.
Grumpy grandpa.
Wow, that was more over that way.
What happens if you go
Back.
straight? Would you get
Wow.
struck by lightning?
What's it getting closer?
No.
Yes.
Ooh.
It is.
Or I'm gonna leave it at that. Because like I said, I could just film, but I just wanted to show everyone in my channel. It is a pretty cool lightning storm, I have to say. And that around the moon looks really pretty.
Oh, you missed one right through there. Right through there, it went right round the edge of a cloud.
Typical.
No, it went right in the cracks
Come
of
on,
the
show me one
trees.
more good one. Come on. Ooh.
I can't see because
Trick's back.
Why
Back.
Django, come here.
He's fine. He's a cat.
Django, come here.
Django, come on.
Django,
Come on.
come here.
Yeah, it's just really the beams that really
Can we
like
get
I've never
Django
seen
inside?
anything like that.
No.
They're like beams.
No, because he knows what to do. He's a cat.
No, I'm
He's got his kennel and it's undercover. It's all under shelter.
No, Django's low to the ground. He can't get hit.
It's all under shelter here. It's like a little house. And then he's got his kennel.
Cats and animals are fine.
trying not to get you.
Wow.
Can I help me see if you do?
Wow.
Heaven.
He will not get struck by lightning, Trixon.
But if he does,
He won't.
he'll be in good care.
It's a really balmy, warm night. Wow. How many degrees do you reckon it would be now, Ma?
About 20?
So it's about, so in Fahrenheit that's about 60.
Celsius.
Yeah.
The Celsius here now.
Yeah.
20
So it's about 60
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit, yeah. And it's about, ooh, I don't know.
70, I think it is.
Yeah, 70 I think it is,
I
yeah.
think it's double it and then add
It
30.
is, I think so. But yeah, it's like what time at night? 9 something at night.
No, about 9:30.
9:30, yeah.
So close to the edge, I'm so scared.
Any more? Ooh, yep. Okay, I've got to end it. I can't just go on and on. Alright, I've got to finish my video. So, that was extraordinary. That really was. That was absolutely awesome. Like, yeah, that was, like, I haven't seen a storm like it, like with the beams coming down especially, like that was really full on. And yeah, I've never seen I've seen a lot of lightning storms, but this one just like goes with everything else that's going on in the world at the moment and all the crazy weather. There's definitely something happening up in the northern hemisphere with the bomb cyclone and just the massive freeze, deep freeze that they're having. While down here in the southern hemisphere, we are literally cooking. So it's like opposites, you know. Up in the northern hemisphere, you know, in Florida, we've got iguanas, poor things, you know, frozen, falling out of trees. And while down here in Australia, you know, we have got animals, you know, that are falling out of trees here because of the heat. So it's just complete opposite, absolute complete opposite. And yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Hope you like it. And I hope you can see the weird abnormalities that I saw. Because yeah, it's just really weird. So basically, yeah, we're having a complete opposite, up and down, and this it's definitely weather manipulation. It's not natural, it's not global warming, it's weather manipulation done by HARP, okay? Any you guys that are awake will know that. So yeah, chemtrails again are pretty heavy today, like checkered, they do like, they seem to do like checkered lines. And yeah, they make me really unwell. So, and I get a lot of symptoms from them. But yeah, this storm's just been rumbling, and yeah, everyone was out looking at it, so I just want to share it. Alright guys, Tricks that's my 9-year-old son. Alright guys, peace, and yeah, hope you liked it. Ciao, bye.
It always takes you 10 years to get off.